We're going to look at how to buy a domain on GoDaddy.com. Entrepreneurs and content creators, my name is Zanele from African Multi Design, the channel that's dedicated to helping your small business grow and thrive online. In this video, we're going to buy a domain. Sipho is excited. He learned about domains and now he wants a little piece of property online and is ready to buy a domain. So you're going to sign in on GoDaddy.com, the South African version if you're in South Africa, and then you're going to search for your perfect domain. So his business is called Breakfast Hampers. So he's going to look for the perfect domain that he would like to use for his business that he's going to be running. And the GoDaddy website looks for the domain to see if it's available, and then the feedback gets given to the user. So breakfasthampers.co.za is available. For the first year, Sipho needs to pay 80 Rand and then renewable next year for 99 Rands. If he's happy with it, I think he is, he's going to click on add to cart and it will go to his cart. If he continues to cart, then he's able to buy the domain. As easy and simple as that. So if you remember the video that we did with the email, if he would like to use this email option that GoDaddy offers, he can pay as low as 15 Rands per month, or he can continue and ignore this to cut to just buy the domain, because we're going to use this domain to link it to the Gmail account that he's created so that he doesn't have to pay the 20 Rands every month. Now he's happy. There's the Breakfast Hamper domain that's available. He does not want the professional email. Then we take off the professional email by clicking on the dustbin, and we continue to check out. And you would add your payment of how you would like to pay for that domain that you're buying. So it's gonna cost Sipho 80 Rands. He's gonna click on complete purchase, and then it processes the payment at the background. There we go. Thank you for your order. We've emailed you a receipt and your domain is successfully bought. And that is how you buy a domain. When you go back home to your products and you go to manage my products, so this would be under your products that you have. See, there's the breakfast hamper domain.co.za. It takes a few moments for the registration to come through, and it will also show you the expiry date of the domain. And there you go. Sipho has successfully bought property online. He is the owner of breakfasthampers.co.za, and they're going to register it against his name. Thank you for joining me on this quick tutorial of how to purchase a domain. If we're adding value to your small business, please subscribe so that the channel grows and we can help as many small business owners as possible. I'll see you on the next video.